screen. I'm gonna do square because we're making a brush, and we need a black background, and we need to do white color. Okay, so every time we make a brush, black background, white color. That way we don't have to invert it later. So, grid brush. So what you're gonna do, we're gonna go in our little handy dandy thing over here, screwdriver. And we're gonna go to canvas, drawing guide, edit drawing guide. All right, so how do you want the drawing guide to be? We want it to be a grid. So choose 2D grid, and then let's choose a color so we can see it. There we go. Let's do bright pink. Alright, make this brighter. There we go. And grid size, like that. There we go. No, wait. So we are going to draw some dots to make the grid. So let's see. We're gonna see where they, oopsie. We need a brush that works with that. So the brush I would use, inking. Let's use technical pen. I think that should work. Okay, that turned out to be a square. Alright, let's do it like this. And then I'm going to fill it in. There we go. A little bit of erase right there. Right in the middle. Alright, so we do duplicate. Let's see here. Duplicate. I'm gonna cut this off right there. Okay. And duplicate this one, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip it so that I can put it here. Duplicate. Keep duplicating. Keep duplicating. That's right there. Rotate. Okay. Duplicate. We're gonna flip this one this time. Let's see if it's right. So these are gonna be a little more difficult, these corner ones. So what I'm gonna do, I burned all these. Alright. Alright, so I can select one, copy paste, and see it's right there. Okay, now that we have this here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna export it as a PNG. So we're gonna go here, share, PNG, export. I'm gonna export to my files. Save to, oops. Save. All right, so what we're gonna do, go to textures. Where is it? Okay, we have a grid brush here. Yep. All right, so this is a similar brush, but it's done with boxes instead of dots. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to, where is it? Grain source. You see how their source is a boxed grid? So we're gonna change that. We're gonna click edit, import a file. See this dot grid is here. All right. Okay, push done. Done. And now, oh, look at that. That's so cool. Okay, so, and that should be it, I think. So let's see. Let's try it out. Let's get a brush, a pencil. So let's see, how big do we want this thing? Alright guys, so it should turn out like this. Yeah, and I hope this helps you a little bit and figure out how to make grids. We're all learning together. I hope this helps you, and good luck. If you want any videos or any suggestions, I am glad to take some on what you would like to see. And if you have any tips and tricks for me, let me know in the comments. All right, see you next time. Bye.